What's going on, guys? Jason here again, back with another Forex video. Today's video I want to show you guys the three different stages in the Forex market. Their stages, how the market moves, stuff like that. So it's gonna be an uptrend, downtrend, and then consolidation. That's how the market moves in those three patterns. You do not want to trade in consolidation. Let me show you what consolidation looks like. Oh, and this is I think Jesus's trade right here. I'm not sure if he's still holding. I think he made around like 3,000, I think. Sorry if the mic was making noise. Yeah, I think he made around 3,000 on this trade. But let me show you what consolidation looked like. I'm gonna draw it over here. So consolidation is gonna look like this. So you have your resistance, this pink line, and your support, this other pink line. This is going to be consolidation. When it's moving sideways, it's ranging. Consolidation, ranging, moving sideways. You can use whatever term you want to use. But this is consolidation. You do not want to trade this because the market is not moving in a certain direction. You can place a buy right here, expecting to hold it to break all the way up here, but it comes right back down and then maybe even goes negative. Comes right back up in positive. You're excited again, then comes back negative again. So it's messing with your emotions, which you don't want to have. When you're trading, you don't want to have your emotions playing a factor in it. So I know people that I've done this before. I place a buy here, expecting to go up. It came back down. I closed negative. But as I see it come back up, right? So I place another buy up here thinking it's going to break out, and it goes even more negative. So that's what you get. You get greedy, and then you start revenge trading. Revenge trading is when you place a trade, you lose money. You want to go in bigger next time to make up the money that you just lost. That's not what you want to do. So when you see it consolidating, you do not want to trade. Let me show you. So all this right here, what happened in Euro couple days ago, hopefully he doesn't get mad, but all this. So let me show you this pink line to this pink line right here. Look at this sideways movement. You do not want to trade this. You can get pips out of it, yes, if you are good at scalping, which is getting 15, 20, 35 pips here and there. You can scalp, but for people that aren't that experienced, you don't want to be you do not want to be trading consolidation. You're gonna lose money. So just wait for a market to break out of the consolidation zone. What I mean by that is for this to happen. Either it breaks to the upside, you get the retest to the previous resistance, which is now support, and it goes up. Or it breaks to the bottom side, breaks resistance, breaks support, which is now resistance, retest, and then it goes down. Or you have your fake out sometimes, breaks up, but closes back underneath, and then it goes all the way down. So you want to wait for a breakout of the consolidation zone before you start trading. If you place a trade in consolidation, you're going to be up and down, positive, negative money for around like a couple hours until it breaks out. And you don't want to do that. I mean, if you're a long-term trader, yeah, you can do it. But if you're not, then just wait for it to start trending again. So now let me show you what an uptrend looks like. An uptrend is obviously going to be going up. So this is the simple pattern for an uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Remember, it's not always perfect. 90% of the time, it's not going to be perfect like this. But it's going to do the higher highs and higher lows when it's on an uptrend. This is an uptrend. You can draw your trend line. Your trend line is going up. You can draw another one at the top. Just like that. It's in a channel. It's in a channel going up and down like this. This is what an uptrend looks like. A downtrend, in order for the uptrend to be broken, meaning it's going to start going down, you have to break the previous higher low. Higher lows are always on the bottom. These bottom ones are higher lows. These top ones are higher highs. So in order for it to start going down, it needs to break a higher low. So let's say this happened. This is the previous higher low right here. This point right here is the higher low, because it's on the bottom. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. This needs to come down and break this like this. And then you can get your retest. And then you start making a downtrend. A downtrend is the same thing, just going down. You have your lower highs, your lower lows, your lower highs, your lower lows, your lower highs, and your lower lows. It's simple. The bottom ones are lower lows because it's on the bottom and it's low, and the top ones are lower highs because it's at the top. That's pretty much it. There's a lot of different variations of downtrends and uptrends. It's not always going to be perfect like this, but that's pretty much the market. You have your uptrend, your downtrend, and then you have your consolidation zone. You want to trade when it's trending. That's when you will make money, not when it's moving sideways like this. You will not make yes, experienced traders can make money from this, but it's still not even good to trade it because you're just fluctuating in price. You're not moving, you're not going in a certain direction. So you guys need to be figuring out when the trend is starting, if it's on an uptrend or downtrend. That's the main thing you need to do before you even place a trade. Figure out what trend you're in. Go on the daily time frame. See if the daily time frame is going up, you do not want to be selling, because in the bigger time frame is going up. You're gonna lose money if you're selling. If you're going against the trend, you're gonna lose money. So figure out your trend, figure out what trend you're in, and then go from there. Alright, this was a short and simple video. Hope this taught you guys something or helped you out in something. Follow the YFM Instagram at YFM_Empire. Follow Jesus. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow us on Instagram. Put it all in the description. And thank you guys for watching.